Wet Drag Splice Cloth Diaper Wet Bags Waterproof by Yara Modes is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper wet bags products. Double zippered pockets wet bag, one for dry, clean items, another for wet items or dirty diapers. Zipper closure contains leaks and odors. These cloth diaper baby wet bag are perfect for holding anything from cloth diapers to dirty clothes to wet swimsuits. Best cloth diaper wet bag baby wet bag. Cute designs with highest quality stitching and craftsmanship wet bag. The manufacturer's cloth diaper wet bag are made of quality polyester TPU durable waterproof material. Store dirty cloth diapers in a wet cloth diaper baby bag to use as a mobile, smell-containing diaper pail. Good baby wet bag. Bags are made of quality polyester TPU durable waterproof material. 30 cm by 36 cm, approx. 11. 8 in by 14 in, wet bag and can holds approx 5 to 7 cloth diapers. Plus, this cloth diaper wet bag baby wet bag comes with handle for easy carrying or attaching to your diaper bag or stroller. This bag wet cloth diaper baby are the perfect way to keep your wet, dirty, or smelly items contained. Also this wet bag are great for travel. You can organize your clean or dirty clothes, underwear, socks, swimming suits and other belongings in this baby wet bag. Throw your sweaty running clothes into a bag cloth diaper wet baby before mixing with your luggage to keep your daywear smelling sweet. Best of all, it is a great cloth diaper wet bag for baby shower gift. Eco-friendly, washable, reusable wet bag waterproof. Hand washing and air dry are recommended to extend the life of this cloth diaper wet bag baby wet bag. Very worth buying cloth diaper bag wet baby.